Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Business Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a laptop that hits the perfect sweet spot between high-end professional performance, portable efficiency, and student friendliness can feel like a massive chore. Today, we are reviewing a machine that aims to solve that problem, the Lenovo 16-inch business and education laptop. This specific model is an absolute powerhouse, packing an Intel Core i7 13th generation processor, a massive 40 GB of DDR5 RAM, a spacious 1 TB solid-state drive, and a gorgeous 16-inch WXGA IPS display. In this review, we will cover how this machine handles everyday workloads, its design, battery life, and whether it deserves a spot in your briefcase or backpack. To start, let's talk about what makes this laptop a true performance champion, which is the processor and memory combination. At its core is the Intel Core i7-13620H processor. This is an H-series chip, meaning it is designed for high performance, featuring 10 cores and capable of reaching speeds up to 4.9 GHz. What really sets this configuration apart from almost anything else on the market, though, is the inclusion of 40 GB of next-generation DDR5 RAM. This memory is roughly 50% faster than older DDR4 RAM, and having 40 GB of it is frankly staggering for a business laptop. For the everyday user, this setup means you can completely forget about lag or system slowdowns. You can easily jump from a live high-definition video conference with your team to managing massive, data-heavy spreadsheets, while simultaneously running background data analysis tools and keeping dozens of research tabs open in your web browser. Everything happens instantaneously, with zero hesitation from the hardware. Coupled with this processing power is a massive 1 TB PCIe solid-state drive. Not only does this give you enough room to store hundreds of thousands of documents, photos, presentations, and hours of high-definition video files, but the data transfer speeds are also lightning quick. The laptop boots up into Windows 11 Home in less than 10 seconds from a cold start, and apps open the exact moment you click on them. You truly get a seamless, frustration-free user experience where you are never left waiting around for your computer to catch up to your thoughts. Moving on to the physical design and visual experience, Lenovo has knocked it out of the park with the 16-inch WXGA IPS display. If you are used to working on standard 15.6-inch screens, you will immediately notice a difference. The 16-inch panel gives you roughly 20% more vertical workspace. This extra screen real estate is incredibly useful for split-screen multitasking, allowing you to comfortably look at a research document on one side while typing out a report on the other, without having to constantly scroll up and down. Because it utilizes an IPS panel, the viewing angles are wide, and colors remain vibrant and accurate, which is excellent for content creators editing photos or videos. Despite hosting such an expansive screen, this laptop remains remarkably portable. It weighs in at under 4 pounds and features a slim, sleek design that slides effortlessly into a standard messenger bag or backpack. It proves you do not have to sacrifice screen size to get a machine that is comfortable to travel with. When it comes to software and modern convenience, this laptop ships with Windows 11 Home, which includes Microsoft's built-in Copilot AI assistant. Having a dedicated AI integrated into your operating system is a massive productivity boost for both professionals and students. You can use Copilot to instantly draft emails, summarize long, complex articles, generate creative ideas, or answer research questions right from your desktop. Combined with Windows 11's intuitive interface and enhanced security protocols, your files and daily workflows stay highly organized and well-protected. Another massive win for this Lenovo laptop is its battery life. Powerful processors and large screens usually drain batteries very quickly, but Lenovo has optimized this machine to deliver over 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. This means you can confidently leave your power brick at home when heading out for a full day of office meetings, university lectures, or working remotely from a local coffee shop. To wrap things up, this Lenovo 16-inch laptop is an exceptional enterprise and education machine. By pairing a high-performance 10-core i7 processor with an unprecedented 40 GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 1 TB solid-state drive, Lenovo has created a laptop that will remain relevant and blazing fast for years to come. Whether you are an enterprise professional managing heavy enterprise applications, a content creator editing multimedia, or a student tackling intensive engineering or research projects, this laptop delivers the reliable, silent, and professional-grade performance you need. It is a premium, well-balanced tool that is worth every single penny for anyone serious about their productivity.